Hi, I'm Alice, and today, I was outside wearing my brand new black t-shirt. Within minutes I was sweating like a penguin in a desert. I thought, wait a second, why is black always so hot in the sun? Is my shirt secretly a toaster? Boom, science mode activated. So, here's the deal. Sunlight isn't just light you can see, it's a mix of colors, kind of like a rainbow party. Every color carries energy. Now, when light hits an object, one of two things happens: the object can reflect the light away, or it can absorb it. White or light-colored objects are like mirrors at the party, they reflect most of the colors away. That's why a white t-shirt feels cooler, because it's bouncing sunlight back into the world instead of keeping it. But black objects? Oh no, they're greedy. Black absorbs almost all the colors: red, blue, green, everything. And when all that energy gets absorbed, it doesn't just sit there. The object transforms that light energy into heat energy. That's why your black shirt or car feels like it's cooking in the sun. It's kind of like being at a buffet. White objects say, "No thanks, I'll pass on most of the food," while black objects say, "I'll take everything, thank you." And then they end up stuffed, or in this case, heated up. So the next time you're choosing clothes on a hot summer day, remember, white keeps you cool, black turns you into a solar panel. Science is sneaky, and sometimes sweaty.